Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make simple cupcake designs using the basic nozzles. First, I've got some white color buttercream. To know how to make this amazing staple buttercream, check out the link in the description below. Now I'll show you how to frost the cupcakes. Here I have 3 cupcakes. I'll show you how to frost them. I have different nozzles here which I've already put in the piping bags. First, I've taken rose nozzle and I'll fill it up with white color buttercream. After filling it, I'm going to squeeze it until I can see the buttercream come out of the nozzle. Next, I've taken wider opening open start piping nozzle and I'm filling it up with white buttercream. Again, I'm going to squeeze it until I can see the buttercream come out of the nozzle. First, I'm taking the rose nozzle and I'm going to start piping. First, slowly I'm going to make a round shape. Next, I'm going to pipe small dots next to it. This is the first design. You can see it was a very simple and easy design to do. Now, for the next one, I filled a few of them with red color buttercream. Take the cupcake and use a wider opening closed start piping nozzle and start piping rounds like this. Make 3 of them. Then take the petal piping nozzle and make this design like how I show. Now, for the next one, take a smaller opening closed start piping nozzle and start piping like this. Make a circle and then tiny lines like this. Next, with a petal piping nozzle, start piping them back and forth to get this design. For the next one, I'm using wider opening open start piping nozzle filled with white color buttercream. And I'm piping a big ice cream shaped circle on the cupcake. Next, with the help of a smaller opening closed start piping nozzle, I'm piping dots like these. I'm gonna mention the nozzle names below in the description. You can see I've got a very nice design here. Now, for the next design, I've taken smaller opening closed star piping nozzle and I just make these small lines over and over. And you can see I've got a beautiful design. For the next one, with the help of the petal piping nozzle, I'm gonna pipe it back and forth like this to get this simple design. Then I'm going to take wider opening closed star piping nozzle and pipe dots all over the cupcake. For the next one, take rose piping nozzle and make dots in one corner of the cupcake. Then take smaller opening closed star piping nozzle and make circle on the other corner of the cupcake. Then take petal piping nozzle and go back and forth for this design. Then pipe small red dots on it with smaller opening closed star piping nozzle. You can experiment using different nozzles to get different designs. For the last one, take rose nozzle and pipe tiny lines on the sides of the cupcake. And then take the smaller opening closed star piping nozzle and make a circle in the middle of the cupcake. So there you go guys, simple cupcake designs using basic nozzles. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.